Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exceptional product that has made waves in the world of air purification. The Honeywell HPA 200 HEPA Air Purifier. If you're looking for a reliable way to breathe cleaner air, especially during allergy season or wildfire events, then stick around as we explore why this purifier stands out as the best Honeywell HPA on the market. The Honeywell HPA 200 combines functionality with style, making it a perfect addition to any room. With dimensions of 17.7 inches deep, 18.8 inches wide, and 10 inches high, it's compact yet powerful enough to clean large spaces up to 310 square feet. Designed to handle various airborne allergens like dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander, this model boasts a CADR rating that impressively supports its claims. What truly sets the Honeywell HPA 200 apart is its true HEPA filter. This technology captures up to 99.97% of microscopic allergens, down to 0.3 microns. Whether you're dealing with the aftermath of wildfires or seasonal allergies, this purifier provides the air quality you need to feel your best. The purifier operates on 3 air cleaning levels, including a turbo clean mode for those moments when you need quick results. On average, it can filter and circulate air in a 310 square foot room every 12.5 minutes, achieving 4.8 air exchanges per hour. Imagine stepping into a fresh, clean environment after just a short while. It's like a breath of fresh air. Using the HPA 200 is a breeze. The touch controls are user-friendly, allowing you to switch between modes effortlessly. It also features a filter replacement indicator to ensure you never miss a beat in your air purification routine. Noise levels are another crucial factor for any air purifier, especially if you plan to use it in a bedroom. The HPA 200 operates at around 60 decibels, about the same as a normal conversation, making it suitable for nighttime use without disturbing your sleep. Now, let's talk about maintenance. The Honeywell HPA 200 is designed for convenience. It uses a combination of a pre-filter and a HEPA filter, both of which are easily replaceable. To keep your unit running smoothly, simply change the filters as needed. With Honeywell's replacement filters readily available, maintaining the efficiency of this purifier is straightforward and hassle-free. In addition to its remarkable performance, the HPA 200 helps neutralize unpleasant odors, contributing to an overall more comfortable living environment. This is particularly beneficial for pet owners or those living in areas prone to smoke and pollution. To sum it all up, the Honeywell HPA 200 HEPA air purifier is an excellent investment for anyone seeking cleaner air. Its powerful HEPA filtration system, efficient air exchange rate, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice in the crowded air purifier market. If you value air quality as much as we do, this model deserves a spot in your home. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and insights. Until next time, breathe easy and take care.